Hello student, I am Prabha and welcome again to my channel Standard Commerce. In previous video of Nature and Significance of Management, I had discussed about introduction of management, meaning of management, definition of management, concept of management, management as a process and characteristics of management. In this video, I am going to explain you about objective of management and importance of management. Let's start with objective of management. Students, as you know that there are different objectives in an organization and management has to achieve all the objectives in an effective and efficient manner. In my previous video, I have already explained the meaning of effectiveness and efficiency. The objectives of management can be classified into three categories. First, organizational objective. Second, individual or personal objective. And the third is social objective. Let me explain one by one. Organizational objective. Organizational objectives are the main objectives which are needed to achieve the economic goals of the organization. Every organization aims to achieve three organizational objectives: survival, profit, and growth. Survival is the basic objective of any organization which ensures that the organization continues to survive and exist in the future. An organization can survive only when organization is able to earn enough revenue to cover its cost. As we know, profit is the lifeblood of business. Without profit, no business can survive for a long time. So management has to ensure that the organization makes a profit. When an organization earns a reasonable profit, it needs to add to its prospect in the long run. This is called growth stage of an organization. For this, it is increase the sale volume, increase number of employees, market shares, number of products, etc. In this way, we can say that organizational objective of an organization are as survival and solvency of the business, reasonable profit so as to give a fair return on the capital invested in business, continuity of the business, growth and expansion of the enterprise, improving the goodwill or reputation of the enterprise. The second objective of management is individual or personal objective. An organization is made up of people who become part of the organization to satisfy their basic needs. Satisfaction of their objective is very important. So, individual or personal objectives include satisfying the needs of an individual are as fair remuneration for work performed, reasonable working condition, opportunities for training, development and career growth, participation in management and prosperity of the enterprise, reasonable security of service. The third objective of management is social objective. Every organization, whether it is business or non-business, has a social obligation which are desired to be achieved for the benefits of the society. They are as quality goods and services at fair prices to consumers, honest and prompt payment of taxes to the government, conservation of environment and natural resources, fair dealing with suppliers, dealers and competitors, preservation of ethical values of the society. Students, now you understand objectives of management. Is importance of management. The importance of management will be clear from the given points. First is achievement of group goals. Management creates teamwork and coordination in the group. It helps in achievement of group goals. The second is increasing the efficiency. Managers provide training and guidance to employees so that they can make the best use of the available resources and increase the efficiency. The next importance of management is minimization of cost. Management directs day-to-day operation in such a manner that all wastage should be avoided. By reducing cost and improving efficiency, the managers enable the enterprise to face competition and earn profits. The next importance of management is survival and growth of an organization. Modern business operates in a complex and ever-changing environment. Changes in business environment create risk as well as opportunities. Managers enable the enterprise to minimize the risk and maximize the benefit of opportunities. In this way, management helps in survival and growth of an organization. The next importance of management is creates a dynamic organization. An organization operates in a constantly changing environment and generally we all resist to changes. Management helps people to adapt the environmental changes so that the organization is able to maintain its competitive edge. The next importance of management is achieving personal objectives. Through motivation and leadership, management helps the individual to develop team spirit and leads his team in such a manner that individual members are able to achieve their personal goals while working towards organizational objective. The next importance of management is generation of employment. By setting up and expanding business enterprises, managers create jobs for the people. People earn their livelihood by working in these organizations. In this way, managers generate employment. The last importance of management is development of society and the nation. Efficient management is equally important for society and the nation. The development of a country largely depends on the equality of the management of its resources. Management aims to develop society by giving due importance of social obligation. Efficient management helps to provide good quality product and services, create employment opportunity, adopt new technology and leads the paths towards growth and development of the society and nation. So students, all these points are importance of management. Remaining topic of this chapter, nature of management, labels of management, function of management and coordination will discuss in next videos. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates.